Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I clean my nail implements. The first thing that I do is I wash them, and then after that I am going to submerge them in Barbicide water for 10 minutes, and I will show you exactly how I do everything. The first thing I do is wash the jar that I'm gonna use, or the container. Here I am rinsing off the brush and putting some soap. It doesn't matter what soap you use as long as you use soap. And I am washing my cuticle nippers so I could take out all the devices and the dust that it collected from me using it on myself. Here I'm washing the X-Acto knife the same way. And I'm gonna wash my cuticle pushers. I make sure to wash both ends. And I'm gonna wash another cuticle pusher, and it's again the same process. It's very straightforward. You don't have to do a lot of crazy stuff. The same thing with the big nail clipper that you guys see here. I wash every place of the nail clipper and where it cuts, of course, as well as the scissors. I take out the little rubber parts because I don't like to put that in Barbicide water. Once I feel that it's clean enough, I will put it in the container that I'm gonna use with Barbicide water, and then I'll leave it there until I finish. Then I would wash all the drill bits, and I wash the front of the bit with the part that you use, and also the stick. Anyways, this is something that you should always do. Like after every client, you should clean your implements if you are using the exact same ones. But if you have a clientele already, I suggest that you have multiple of the same bits or cuticle pushers or nail clippers, or cuticle nippers, just so you don't have to wash it every single time. Anyways, here I'm almost done washing all my implements, and this is basically the last drill bit that I have to wash. And then I just rinse off my brush, and I am going to put it aside. Now I'm going to show you how I already put my implements in this container, where I am going to put 16 ounces of water and 1 ounce of Barbicide. So here I am filling up the container that marks the 8 ounces of water. So I am going to put 2 of these bottles in that containers with the implement. I'll just show you the 8 ounces that is marked there, and filling up the second bottle, and I'm going to put in the same container with my implements. It's also 8 ounces on the mark. Now here's the container with my implements and 16 ounces of water in there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is measure 1 ounce of Barbicide in the same container, and I'm gonna use this little tiny dotting thing that I bought at the nail supply store, because I bought a really big Barbicide and it's really hard for me to take out the Barbicide out of it. Before I had a smaller bottle, but I was like, I should just buy a big bottle so I don't have to, worry about ever running out of Barbicide. And I guess I got the biggest bottle, so yeah, it's a problem now, but it's okay. So here it is, 1 ounce of Barbicide to the dot, and I am gonna pour this Barbicide inside my container, and after that, I am gonna put the lid on the container, and I'm gonna let it sit for 10 whole minutes. Remember, it has to be 10 minutes, no less, because they need to completely disinfect. So here you guys can see my my solution here. The 10 minutes already passed, and I am gonna drain the water. Like I said, I don't have the glass jar anymore, so it's hard for me to take it out, but I just put the lid on in front of it, so it won't let any of my drill bits or any of my implements fall out. And after that, I decide to get 3 or 4 paper towels and let my implements sit there for about you know, a couple minutes, 10-15 minutes until they dry. Hey guys, so here is how I store my implements after they dry, and after they dry out. So remember, first I wash them, then I disinfect them, and then I let them dry, and then I store my implements here. And as you can see, these are the bigger ones, like nail clipper, the cuticle nippers, the tweezers, the cutting tools, and the little scissors, and the cuticle pushers. And here I have all the drill bits, as you guys can see. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please ask me down below, and I will gladly answer you guys. Bye.